everyone, and welcome back to my channel with a new vlogs. Okay, so uh, without knowing, I didn't have a vlog, so a couple of weeks I think. So 2 weeks I don't have vlogs. So today uh got some new got some new vlogs, and we're gonna have to open this three uh three uh three box. Okay, I think it's not a box, right? So it's because it is not a one. So here it goes. So I'm gonna show it to you. So here it goes. I have the starter of the Alola. So here it goes. This is the starter of the Alola, and I'm gonna opening it up and also adding it into my Pokemon collection. Okay, so okay, without further ado, so let's gonna start off. Okay. So here it goes, guys. So here it goes. I have the starter of the Alola. So we've got Poplio, we got Rowlet, and also we've got Litten. So here it goes, and then we're gonna open this up, right? So we're gonna open this up. So this is just Pokemon Asia. Okay, there it goes. There are Pokemon Asia, and then this is from the Takara Tomy. So Moncole Moncolex. So here it goes, guys. So I'm gonna open it up. Okay. So hard, okay. Why is it so hard? So I think I'm gonna open this up with my this one. So I'm gonna opening this up right here. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna be opening this up in here. So since it is fully sealed, so this is an original toy. Okay, this is an original toy, and here it goes. We've got some here you guys, we've got some Poplio right here. So look at that nice Poplio. So the first stage of Primarina. So this is the first stage of Primarina, right? And then next, gonna open up the Rowlet. So I'm gonna opening it up also the Rowlet. And here it goes. We've got Rowlet in the house. Whoa. Here it goes, guys. So yes, nice one right here over there, Rowlet. Oh, nice. Look at that. And then we've got the last one. So we've got the Primarina. So I think I also need the full evolution of this one, the Alola starters. So this is just only the first stage of the starters. They don't have the secondary evolution and the final evolution, right? So this is so hard to open. So, okay, so here it goes. Here is Litten, okay, litter of kitten. Okay, okay, 2 words. Okay, look at that, nice, very nice. Okay, very nice. Okay, I really like it also, that one. Next, the cat. Okay, over here. So as you can see, Litten. Okay, and then also the second evolution is, I forgot who is the second evolution, right? And then the last evolution is Incineroar. Okay, and also Poplio, and then I forgot the second evolution. So I only remember Primarina, the final evolution, and also Rowlet and evolve into Dartrix, and also Dartrix evolve into Decidueye. Ooh, nice one. Grass type and flying type Pokemon right here. So nice. Okay, nice. Nice one over here. So nice one, and I really like it also. Okay, here it goes. Okay, and then I'm gonna okay. Okay, why Litten doesn't want to, okay, here it goes. And then okay. Okay, I want to show it to you into the in different angle, okay? So there it goes, guys. So here is this Rowlet, Litten, and Poplio along with the Kanto starter. So it's still not yet it's still not yet complete the final evolution. So it's because there is no uh Charmeleon and War Turtle. So right, so right here is the additional of the one of the additional right here, and then you can see some right there, and then gonna put it also. Okay, Litten is so hard to go, is so hard to why, okay, okay, he doesn't want to get up, okay, and then there it goes right there. Oh, nice collection, okay. I'm gonna have to find, okay, gonna have to find the second evolution and the final evolution of this one, and also the others, right? Okay, and then right here another one, so as you can see, and okay, right, so nice, okay, here it goes. So okay, right, so I think that's it for my vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching. So it's not just a long vlog that I make, so it's because this is it's just only a quick unboxing of the Alola starter. So okay, I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope you like it. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more vlogs, okay, and then Pokemon vlogs, Pokemon merch, and then text and gadgets, EDC, gaming, and many more here in my channel. So okay, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos, okay?